Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. This is the follow-up to that video I made yesterday of derusting steel with vinegar. And this was just plain apple cider vinegar, 5% acetic acid. And I've got a little container of water, pure water here. So if you remember right, I put 3 wheels in the vinegar, and you can see how dark this has gotten now. So I put 3 wheels in the vinegar and saved 1 out as a comparison. So there is what the wheels looked like when they went into the vinegar. It's now been almost 24 hours that those have been soaking in there. So let's see how we did. So we'll grab the wheels, drop them directly into water, rinse them off, and let's see the result. So there's the before. There's the after. As you see, the rust has been completely removed from the steel. It hasn't polished the steel. The steel is still discolored, but all of the rust is gone. All of it. And you didn't have to do this with a steel brush or a bronze brush or a buffer wheel or anything like that. All strictly chemically removed. It works really, really well. Now, to finish cleaning these up, you can just zap them with some toothpaste. You can rinse them off real well, clean them off a bit. Let me dry this one off. You'll see a dramatic difference in how this is actually going to look. So once all the surface is wiped clean, you can see there is a dramatic difference between them. And you didn't have to do anything at all. You didn't have to do anything except pour the vinegar on it. You don't have to rub them, you don't have to scrub them, you don't have to do anything at all. And it's much easier to let the acid, the acetic acid, eat this rust away than it is trying to scrape it off or buff it away or use a wire wheel. It's just much, much faster, and this works on any kind of steel. If you have old rusty track, you can do exactly the same thing. Put the track in a small pan, immerse it in vinegar, and in 24 hours you have virtually derusted it, and without doing anything at all other than simply letting it soak. It's really, really simple to do this. Straightforward. It's not toxic, which is the nice thing about it. And it takes 24 hours of basically just waiting. You don't have to do anything to clean this up other than soak it, wipe it off, and oil it. So what I'll do next is, this is an acid, so you have to deactivate that acid. So what I'll do is drop these into a small container of water with a little bit of baking soda. That will neutralize the acid, that will stop any further rusting. Put a few drops of oil on this, clean it up if you want to get the rest of this oxide off. You can now polish them if you want to and make them silver again. But it's really, really simple to derust a piece of steel with vinegar. You don't have to do anything at all other than pour it on, let it wait, wipe it off, and it's finished. Really, really simple, really straightforward. Best of all, it's inexpensive, it's not toxic, and it works. As you see, now these have all been completely derusted and quite a bit different from the before and after. And like I said, now you just put them in a bit of water with some baking soda that will neutralize the acid, clean them off real well, oil them, and you have derusted the wheels. Really, really simple, with no scrubbing, no buffing, no wire wheel, no nothing. Just immersing them in vinegar. Really, really effective. It's really easy to do this. Like I said, it's non-toxic, and best of all, it works. So I just wanted to do the follow-up video so you can see the before and after. It works really, really well. So I just wanted to do a video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.